as the rain falls to the earth in unity, rendering its orchestration to humanity, with its tip-tap sound like the rhythm of a drum. The worms crawl out of the soil in search for food. The birds fly to their homes for shelter. The ants crawl back to the eaves to feed on the harvest. Still in the rain, these amazing creatures all step out on the busy road to meet their daily needs. The rain they see is a blessing to mankind. We sing, under the rain or in the sun. Yes, under the rain we move, we keep pushing and we keep working to meet our daily needs and feed the worms in our belly. We move regardless.